Hey there, savvy savers. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down financial tips to help you stay ahead. Today's topic is how to use your credit card before it arrives, 2025. You heard that right. In this digital age, you don't have to wait for that plastic to show up to start enjoying the perks. Let's dive in. First off, why would you want to use a credit card before it arrives? Well, in 2025, with advancements in fintech, banks are making it easier than ever to access virtual card features instantly after approval. This means you can shop online, book flights, or even make payments right away, saving you time and letting you build credit faster. So, how do you do it? Step 1. Apply for your credit card through a reputable bank's app or website. Once approved, many cards offer a virtual card number immediately. For example, with cards from providers like Chase or American Express, you'll get a temporary digital version in your app. Step 2. Activate it in the app. Download the bank's mobile app, log in, and look for the virtual card section. You'll usually find a generated card number, expiration date, and CVV that you can use for online transactions. But hold on, safety first. Always enable two-factor authentication and monitor your transactions closely to avoid fraud. In 2025, expect even more secure options like biometric logins or tokenized payments. Now, let's talk benefits. Using your card virtually helps you earn rewards points or cashback on early purchases, and it's perfect for splitting bills or subscriptions. Plus, it's eco-friendly since you're going paperless. One quick tip. Not all merchants accept virtual cards, so check compatibility before you buy. And remember, responsible use is key. Pay off your balance to avoid interest. There you have it, folks. By leveraging virtual card tech in 2025, you're one step ahead in managing your finances. If you found this helpful, hit that like button, subscribe for more money-saving hacks, and drop your questions in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.